Hello, I'm Jimmy Gardner, the mayor of the city of Pritchard, the city of Champion. I just want to take a moment to share with you a resolution that I will be providing to our city council. A resolution activating the City of Pritchard Emergency Operation Plan, the EOP, and other action during the COVID-19 coronavirus pandemic. And this is what it says. Whereas the President of the United States and the Governor of the state of Alabama has declared a state of emergency due to the COVID-19 corona pandemic. And whereas the Public Health Agency has recommended the practice of social distancing and self-isolation to slow the spread of the pandemic, to assist healthcare providers in keeping the number of those experiencing serious symptoms at a manageable level. And whereas operation of local schools has been suspended until April 6, 2020, creating childhood care issues for many employees. And whereas it is anticipated that additional orders and recommendations from the state and the federal level will make it even increasingly difficult to maintain routine operation. Now, therefore, be it resolved by the City Council of the City of Pritchard at a duly assembled meeting with a quorum being present as follows. One, that due to the COVID-19 pandemic, emergency conditions affecting public health and safety exist throughout the City of Pritchard. Warrant the exercise of emergency power as provided by law. Two, the Pritchard Emergency Operation Plan, the EOP, provides a framework in which the departments and agencies of the City of Pritchard, both public and private, can plan and perform their respective emergency functions during the disaster or emergency. Three, that during the COVID-19 pandemic, the City of Pritchard is authorizing to execute in accordance with the following applicable section of the EOP. Appendix H, Emergency Support Function. 1. Emergency Support Function, ESF. 2. Communication. Emergency Support Function, ESF. 8. Public Health and Medical Service. In the Emergency Support Function, ESF 15, External Affairs. And these things are put in place to guard against misuse of access by unauthorized personnel as it relates to the content of the EOP will remain confidential, and only persons authorized by the office of the mayor and the city council will be permitted to review the EOP to ensure security. The city will provide a special paid leave absence to employees for up to 10 days for self-quarantine, treatment and recovery for positive diagnosis to the coronavirus. This approved time will not be counted against the employee's annual paid time off allocations. Approved time off in this circumstance should be coded in a timekeeping as other absence. As me as the mayor is authorized to expend up to a sum of $20,000 on equipment, goods, and services deemed necessary by the mayor to deal with the emergency, and shall report any such purchases to council within 10 days of the next city council meeting, whichever is less. That the status of continuous suspension of routine operation will be reevaluated on and before April the 6th and communicated to employees and to the public. These are things that I'm asking in the resolution. I just want you to know that I will continue to work with council to ensure, not only for the employees and the citizens of the city, that we're doing the best thing that we can do in the interest of public health, of our employees, and you, the citizens of this region. May God bless you, may God keep you, is my prayer.